Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that you don't know the things that people bless up on yourself on that money making Monday, yeah, but you know my style already one bag of one in a one, and I gotta give you these daily updates. And as you see on your screen, Dancehall Queen Spice. Why life look like it's sad right now, you know? Girl blood clots strip naked on Instagram live and expose the goodie them. You see me, I say, boy, she all call up Justin name. You see me? Also, them say Sheba the Gaza Diva get beat up by the people them man. I don't know which people them man. Them I talk about coming out watch them gal your front. Yeah, I mean, but we know say Ivan, the ex-mother-in-law, have a man in Florida, but right now she in Jamaica. I support her star boy son. You see me, I say people one bagger and I one, you know. You know what I mean? But before we get to the Popcaan story, people just like and share the video now. You know what I'm saying? But I try to reach broader audience, I need your help in doing so, you see me?
Hey, bad man. Don't do that.
I'm saying.
By your nose. What does I put camera on me? Who you?
I'm making money. I'm making money.
But I want you to be now, if my fans don't know the song, why am I singing? That's why I start like this.
And if you read the caption, it says, don't just put camera upon the kill it them, youth, or else you can't turn ya. You can't turn ya. You know what I mean? And that is not it. Hashtag great to see. You know, Popcaan, she really remembers that he's still a ghetto poor youth, you know, from the slums or the country or wherever. You see me, I say from St. Thomas. But him have to remember say he's a superstar now and camera forever gonna be on you. You know what I mean? This is why you should have trained security so them can look out for paparazzi or if somebody is a threat. You know what I mean? Boy. People putting out a comment section. What you think about Papi behavior? You see me? I said, do you think he was acting overboard or not? You see me? I said, cause you remember say them beat him up at Bahamas. You remember when Babylon boy thump out him teeth and all of these things. But anyway, let's proceed. No, I haven't done a story on Starboy Neil and Sheba the Gaza Diva. You know, Ivan, the ex-mother, and you know what I mean? It's been a while now. Look on the teeth and crab leg boy. But anyway, bless up yourself, Neil. You know, say I might take this music thing to a next level like him ex-girl Ivan, you know. Yeah, I mean. But this video, this review is not about Neil. It's about his mother because it was brought to my attention that she get beat up by the people them man. I'm not sure which people them man. The people that I talk about, you see me, I say, I know she might be in Jamaica right now. I don't know if she have any man in Jamaica, you see me, I say, we know, say she talk to a boy, Haitian boy in Florida, you feel me? So, like I said, people, I'm just a messenger. Don't crucify me unless you won't get no more messages. And like, oh, where I dropped that review, yeah, we know, say, Sheba got forward out, you know what I mean? Because we don't know the thing said. I don't know if them sending the story if we try to go viral and get a little clout out here. You see me? But like I said, the send of them, as you can see, them send this into me 3 o'clock in the morning. The people, them man beat up Shiba the Diva. And this is the first of many DMs that I got pertaining to Sheba's life, you know what I mean? Like I said, when I activate at them time, you know, but if you don't know what I want, put in the comment section, and just again an update that Sheba get beat up, you know, said she could go live later and we would upload it as well. You see me, I say keep it locked. Oh, and the sender said she was live after 2 this morning talking about the incident. I don't know if this is a new incident or not. Me just the messenger. You see me answer. So I don't want Sheba come try rub me out, you know. Hey. Now, Dancehall Queen Spice exposes her goods on Instagram Live yesterday, as you see in front of you. She was taking off her underwear and all of this stuff, and didn't know her buff was out because so people eyes observant, and we was looking through the shower glass and the mirror, and we seeing everything. You know what I mean? She didn't know that she was exposed, She was trying to be slick, so she was drinking and all of these things. But me not lie. Spice look sad, you see me I say, and Spice look like says she use her dancer them to replace the Rasta man. You see me I say, cause I just in them get called up Punny life when Spice say they can't trick her and all of these things. You see me I say, man, now I gotta lie to her no. Spice look like says she miss Rasta man, Jano, and the dancer them has become Spice's supported. You know what I mean? Cause girl need to cry on somebody's shoulder. You see me answer. But anyway, let's listen to what Spice has to say and things, and then we'll proceed.
My paper and my pen. It's never been said before. Me lay down flat pan the body like a polish pan nail. Cocky begin on me belly like whale. Boom flick me just a bubble shake like a snake tail. Pussy wet like boat out a sea where I sail. Popcaan! Please stop. Them not bad like me. No sir. Who do not give me my flowers? Me na blood clot wait till me dead for no give me my flowers. Who do I go give me my flowers? Jesus Christ. I feel idle. I go to a while ago, I sang playing. I don't normally listen to myself. I never tell you this here, but I don't really listen to myself. Because I know what I say already. But when you're there at a party and you sang them or play and you listen back and hear good, the things them what you say. And you have to wonder, say, no man to blood clot. When people sit down in at the party and them hear this or this style girl, and the girl them get up already for that show, me is a very good girl. And me could skin out right through. But then at the dance, every girl sit down there on them phone, and when my voice come on, and the girl them hear this or this style girl, this or this style, blood clot, the girl them skin right out. Me make the girl them skin right out. So me I feel look into myself and I say, no man. But you do not tell me say my bad. My bad. Please sir. Who do not talk to me? Who do not talking to blood clot me? Then I me them one trick. And me grace them one trick. Them can't trick me. Them cannot trick me. Them try to trick me, but them cannot trick me. Trick me? Love it when him rim it and him ram it. The way you we must slam it a bone me still like a bit. Him deal with me so crab it, but me love it like a rabbit. Pan him hood me will like grab it cause I fucking a me habit. A good thing me take me tonic flexible me acrobatic. Drive it like a automatic, then you boost it like a matic. And that me feel so blood clot. No sir. Best to me reach home, me I go upstairs, go bathe in a nice hot water. Yeah. Nice hot water. Somebody said Spice just in a house, just in a yard. Just in a yard. So much later. Why not go on with teeth them put this yeah, we say brush teeth. We say brush teeth and take care of yourself. I go upstairs to bed. You don't want to stay on the phone and bed with me? My love, I'm on a diet. No rice, no car. Hey, I'm start my diet, Here, me I wake up early tomorrow. I'm going to the gym. And make sure I go share me look a diet, look a plan we do know, because I finally find something. And I go share what me I do with you know. So you can stay up on the journey with me.
I don't know about you, but
I have to lose 20 pounds.
We can't switch places.
Remember you slim, you know, you can do anything. Remember you slim, you now go trick me and give me a food in how much midnight o'clock. Remember you very thin. Me, you're crazy. Me.
Anyway, I don't want longer that review you any longer. People, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip. Now, I don't know why Spice put this up in her story, but she says not booked. I guess this was an event for Sean Paul and Spice overseas, you know, in London. So, I don't know what I want, you know. I don't know what I want, but we'll let you know in our next video. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip. And most importantly, share the video upon all social media platforms where I try to reach broader audience. I will need your help in doing so. Bless.